A side-by-side of my older camera versus Link 2. It's not even close. The Link 2 is sharp, as you can see, cleaner, and the colors look way more natural. Now, this is where the Insta360 Link 2 really feels different from a normal webcam, right? So because of that 2-axis gimbal, it uses AI tracking to follow you as you move. Have you ever watched your webcam footage back and thought, wow, I look like a 2009 Skype call? Today, we are fixing that. This tiny thing is the Insta360 Link 2, a 4K AI webcam with a built-in gimbal that literally follows you around the room, blurs your background like a DSLR, and cleans up your audio with AI. It's this thing on top, okay? Not this. But they can be paired. So is it actually worth upgrading from your laptop cam or even your current external webcam? Let's find out. In this video, I'll cover number 1, the setup and design. Number 2, the video quality with real sample shots. Number 3, the AI tracking in smart modes like Desk View and Whiteboard. As well, number 4, the new audio features. And 5, who I think the Link 2 is really for, and if you should buy this or something cheaper. Now, if you enjoy deep dive gear reviews like this, hit the like because it helps the video reach more people. Thank you. Also, do let me know, guys, if you like this new setup and what do you think about the image quality. And if you want to know more about my lights, my camera, mix, etc., tell me in the comments and I will do a video for you. First, the basics. So the Insta360 Link is a 4K webcam, right? With a 2-axis gimbal. So unlike normal webcams that just crop into a super wide image, this one physically bends and tilts to follow you. On the front, you've got the lens with that signature glowing ring light. And underneath is the tiny motorized base that lets it rotate. It clamps on top of your monitor, or you can use the magnetic mount in the box if you want more flexibility on stands or tripods. The setup is literally plug and play. Number 1, you can use a USB-C cable into your computer. Done. Simply download the Insta360 Link Controller app for Windows or Mac, and you're basically ready to join Zoom, Teams, OBS, Discord, you name it. All the usual specs. No hardcore setup. So design-wise, it's small, it's premium feel, and way more flexible than a static webcam. I can tell you that. Let's talk image quality because that's why you buy this in the first place, right? Believe it or not, the Link 2 shoots up to UHD 4K at 30 FPS or 1080p at 60 FPS. And if you prefer smoother motion for streaming, I would suggest the second option, right? Inside is a 1/2-inch sensor, which is huge compared to normal webcams, right? That bigger sensor pulls in way more light, so your image looks cleaner and less noisy, especially in darker rooms like this one. You also get HDR video, which keeps your face exposed properly, even if you got a bright window behind you. Natural bokeh mode, which gives you that DSLR style background blur without needing a separate camera and lens, like I do. On screen now, you are seeing a side-by-side of my older camera versus Link 2. It's not even close. The Link 2 is sharp, as you can see, cleaner, and the colors look way more natural. Now, this is where the Insta360 Link 2 really feels different from a normal webcam, right? So because of that 2-axis gimbal, it uses AI tracking to follow you as you move. In the app, you can choose the following. You can choose head tracking. It stays tight on your face. Upper body, great for desk work and gesturing. Full body, if you are standing up doing fitness dance or full body presentation, right? It's smooth, it doesn't crop into a super wide frame, and it actually respects boundaries. It can set fences, so it stops tracking if you walk too far. Then you've got the smart modes. You have the desk view. The camera tilts down to show your desk. This is perfect for unboxing, drawing, product demos, right? Whiteboard mode. You put the included markers on your board and the camera automatically crops and squares it up so people on the call can clearly see your nose. You have portrait mode. It flips into vertical framing for TikTok Reels shorts, anything you want, and a privacy mode where it points itself down after a few seconds, effectively muting the camera when you are done. It's really smart. I like it. You can even use gestures controls, a simple hand sign to start or stop tracking, to zoom in or zoom out, or activate whiteboard mode so you are not constantly clicking buttons mid-presentation. Now, video is great, but if your audio sucks, people will tune out. The Link 2 has upgraded microphone with AI noise reduction, so you get free profiles. You have voice focus, pushes your voice forward and cuts most background noise. You have voice suppression, more aggressive if you are in a really noisy environment. And you have music balance. It lets your background music breathe while still keeping your voice clear, which is clutch for streamers or music teachers. Is this going to replace a dedicated XLR mic? Obviously not, right? But for meetings, for online classes, casual streaming, or traveling light, it's way better than most built-in laptop mics or older webcams. So all of this is controlled in the Insta360 Link Control application. And there you can switch resolution and frame rates. You can adjust exposure, white balance, and sharpness. You can enable background blur, background replacement, or keep it natural with the sensor's real depth and bokeh. You're going to save presets for sitting, standing, or product demo framing so you can recall them with one single click. I like that. The app also plays nice with all the usual platforms, Zoom, Google, Meet, Teams, so you don't have to fight with compatibility or weird drivers, right? The moment you set it up once, you honestly forget it's there, right? The camera just does its thing in the background, so nothing else to do. So who is this actually for? Content creators and streamers. You get 4K detailed, reliable tracking and vertical video without setting up a mirrorless camera and capture card. It's good for online teachers, coaches, presenters. Whiteboard and desk view modes are so much better than holding things up to your laptop camera. It's also good for remote workers and executive. If you spend hours on calls, this makes you look like you care about production value without any extra effort. Quick note, Insta360 also makes a Link 2C, which is basically a simpler version without the gimbal. You still get 4K and the AI features, but the camera doesn't physically move, right? It uses digital framing instead. It's cheaper and better suited if you never move from your chair, right? If you present, standing up, walk around, or do anything more dynamic, I would stick with the Link 2. Alright, rapid fire pros and cons. Some of the pros: super sharp 4K image with a big 1/2H sensor and HDR, smooth AI tracking with a real gimbal, not just digital zoom, tons of useful modes. You have desktop view, whiteboard, portrait, privacy, surprisingly solid mix with AI noise reduction and multiple profiles, works with basically every video application out there. Some of the cons: it's still more expensive than a basic 1080p webcam, right? Some of the advanced features like natural bokeh and background blur need a reasonable powerful computer to run well. If you never move on camera, the gimbal might be overkill. In that case, the Link 2C or a cheaper webcam might be enough. Overall though, if you care about how you look and sound online, the Insta360 Link 2 is one of the best all-round webcams you can buy right now. If you want to check out the Insta360 Link 2 or the Link 2C, I'll leave links down in the description. You're welcome. Also, drop a comment if you have questions you would like me to cover. Hit like if this video helped you out, and subscribe for more creator gear breakdowns. As usual, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next tech review. Peace out.